हमने ईरान के जौहरी साइज को तबाह किया। अमेरिकी वज़ीर दिफा अट अक की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस धमकी दी कि अगर ईरान ने हमला किया तो भरपूर जवाब देंगे। हमारा हमला पहले से ज़्यादा सख्त होगा। अमेरिका बार बार कहता रहा है कि ईरान को जौहरी हथियार हासिल करने नहीं देंगे। हमने सदर ट्रंप के हुक्म पर ईरान के जौहरी तंसीबात को निशाना बनाया।
Authorized a precision operation to neutralize the threats to our national interests posed by the Iranian nuclear program. For this particular operation, the focus is on Iran and Iranian nuclear capabilities. That's our focus here, is to not just say that they can't have, but President Trump has said from over 20 years, frankly, Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon. And ultimately, he decided this is the moment, given their stonewalling, when direct military action had to be taken to prevent that from happening. We will respond if necessary. The most powerful military in the world is postured and prepared to defend our people. But what the president gave us, as I said, was a focused, powerful, and clear mission on the destruction of Iranian nuclear capabilities.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।